Adding a hardscape project can increase a home's value and provide an escape for the homeowner. It can be as simple as a walkway or elaborate as an outdoor kitchen area.
A lot of people, when they're thinking about renovating their house, they're thinking about indoor rooms, but adding this outdoor living space for crawfish boils, for football games, really makes things more enjoyable.
A workshop at the LSU AgCenter Hammond Research Station showed people involved in the green industry that including hardscape work in their business plan can offer another revenue stream.
With hardscaping, it's not a living material, so this is an opportunity for landscape contractors to work year-round. So that is a really nice feature.
Attendees of the event got to help install a paver walkway and experiment with equipment commonly used to compact the base layer, a key step in a successful hardscape project.
They get to use the equipment, they get expert advice, and they get to learn every single step of building a walkway the right way, and then they can apply this to their own business.
Just like a landscape project, hardscapes can be simple or intricate. Careful planning at the beginning will lead to a more desirable end result.
The excavation, putting the base material in, all the proper compaction, all the math that you're doing for proper slopes, all of that takes a lot of time, but the more time you take at the beginning of a project, the more success you're going to have over the long term.
Some hardscape materials are porous, allowing water to seep through instead of contributing to runoff, which provides environmental benefits. With the LSU AgCenter, this is Craig Gautreaux reporting.